All right, it is our home show, right? But if you want to buy a house, you need to have the financing to do it, right? So it's important to go into this major purchase with a good financial plan. Ryan Madrid of VIP Mortgage is here with how they can help you with that plan. And I've learned so much about VIP Mortgage today. So thanks for being on this show.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, it is the home show, and a lot of people, this is their big dream, right? They want to own their very own home. First of all, tell me what you guys do exactly.
So VIP Mortgage is a correspondent mortgage bank, not a brokerage. So we process, underwrite, and we fund our own loans in-house.
Okay.
So that gives us a lot of control on how we handle each loan for the client, as opposed to putting it out to a brokerage, or being a brokerage putting it out to a bank and they kind of do everything in their house. We don't have as much control.
Okay.
It's good for the client.
I was just going to say, as a client, I would feel like I'm kind of, you're with me every step of the way, so to
For
speak.
sure, right. Okay. So everybody's like in the office, right? So like your underwriter's next to your processor, and you can go walk down and have a conversation with them about your loan and what's going on, which is a big deal.
Yeah, it surely is, because this whole process can be extremely overwhelming.
Yeah, very overwhelming for everybody.
So I'm glad to hear that. I want to talk a little bit about what makes you guys different. You talk a lot about the culture there,
right?
And it sounds like it's because of Jay Barber, who owns this company.
I think everybody in our company would agree that Jay, it comes top down. So Jay and Keith, they're two guys that are like best friends from like 3rd grade, right? So they grew up together, and they're the owners of our company, and they just put it out there that like if you're gonna work here, you're gonna be a certain sort of, your core value is going to be a certain way. You're going to have a certain care factor, and we hire the right people. We're not the biggest company, but we are particular on who comes to our company.
Wow,
based upon their care factor. So,
yeah.
And it comes from those guys, I think.
That's really neat to hear. As a matter of fact, you've won, the VIP Mortgage has actually won a lot of awards. One of them being one of the best places to work.
Yeah. So last year we won Best Places to Work for the Phoenix Business Journal.
That's really cool.
And this year Jay was voted in the top 25 for Best Leaders. So yeah, I mean, we have a lot of accolades that he's won over time, but he's not one to come out and ever tell anybody.
Okay, that's okay.
But that's the type of guy he is.
Yeah, yeah, and you do a lot of fundraising and a lot of giving back to the community as well.
Right.
Why is that important?
I think it's important. I think that makes us a little bit different as well, is that they're like servant leaders, right? So everything we do, we want to make sure that we're giving back to our clients and we're giving back to the community. So we have a partnership with Phoenix Children's Hospital and many other charities in the Valley, but right now we are raising money particularly for Phoenix Children's Hospital, and we're having a little thing called the trike race at our corporate office, which is going to be cool, and we're raising money for that.
That's really cool. Also, somebody who is sitting at home right now thinking, you know what, I would like to own a new home. It's a dream of mine. What is the most important thing that they should do before they go looking at homes?
Right. So I think the biggest mistake people make is they go to a realtor first. And the reality is you really should go to your loan officer, whether it be at VIP Mortgage or wherever, right?
Okay.
Because you really need to figure out how much money you have to spend on your home, right?
Yes.
Before you're wasting your own time and your realtor's time, right? So you can come have a consultation with somebody at VIP Mortgage. We are, we're in 22 states, so we're not just in Arizona, so we're all around, so find somebody.
I can find you.
Yeah, yeah, particularly us, though. We're at Via Dave Ventura in the 101, but sit down and figure out how much money you can spend, and then we can help you find a realtor, or you might already have somebody, and we can work with them together as a team. We can figure out the right scenario for you.
Okay, I like that. And as you mentioned, everybody's in-house, so you only have to go one place right there. Okay.
That's right.
Thank you very much, Ryan. That was really good information. Let me tell you about more about VIP Mortgages and where they're located at 9221 East Via Dave Ventura in Scottsdale. One number to call to find a location near you, 800-680-8799. Learn more at VIPMTGinc.com.